Good medical morning. This is Watson, the Prince of Popping, and today we have a fascinating case study for you. But before we get started, don't forget to check us out on Facebook. It's facebook.com/freakymedical. So here are a series of photos that we think you'll find incredible. They're of a German construction worker who was impaled through the chest with a pipe. The 37-year-old man actually fell onto an upright pipe while working. It penetrated his right thorax, breaking his ribs and coming out the left side. Miraculously, it spared his lungs, heart, and all of his organs. Wow! The patient was found awake, intubated on site, and taken to the operating room after this spiral CT scan. The photos come to us from a cardiothoracic surgeon from University Hospital Bergmannshall Bochum in Germany. His name is Dr. Algeberry. Good job, Doc. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And check us out on Facebook too. We'll see you there.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinnergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.